we gonna get straight into the video. I've been reading some of the comments, and I was looking at the comments while I was at the gym, and so it's kind of hard to like understand what some people was talking about. But I seen the comment talking about like they was annoyed that this was the video. Listen, the title of my video, the title of my video is gonna be the same title as the video on like the original video. So if you want to watch it without me, which is like the worst thing you could do that. But just keep in mind, like essentially, if you watch the video without me, that's like when like your friends like, yo, we should see that movie together, and then you go see it without them. Like that's the same thing you doing. So just keep in mind, if you watch the video without me, like that's the same as shooting me with a gun in the face, bro. So just keep that in mind. That's what you're doing. But we're gonna get straight to the video.
Record! Do not touch me!
It was supposed to be a simple traffic stop. What happened next was anything but.
Hold on, he said simple traffic stop, but then it said simple eviction. She getting evicted from the car on the side of the road?
How are you doing?
Knock it off.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, for insurance?
I don't have my ID.
You don't have your ID?
No.
Rebecca, you own the car, correct?
Yes, I do. It's my vehicle.
Okay. So your license suspended?
My license isn't suspended.
Yes. Your license is canceled because you failed to take a class. You were supposed to take it.
No, it's not.
Are you telling me? Because I have access to motor vehicle data.
Yeah. Yeah, he already know who she is. They already got beef. Maybe this was like she got evicted from the crib, then they're catching her down the street or something. I don't know. I haven't seen the video yet. But there's a lot going on because she's like, no, it's not. And he's like, bro, I got the whole computer in the back. I've already looked, like, I know what the deal is. So this is going to escalate. I can already tell. Look, it says 21-year-old woman turns a misdemeanor into a felony. So she's obviously, I think she's going to go on a high speed. Either high speed or just resisting arrest, maybe hitting the cop or something. But one of the two.
And we ran your tag.
She said,
and your tag is suspended. That expired. You have your insurance card?
No, that's it.
This the one?
Where are you at?
I need proof of insurance or else.
That is all I have.
Your car is about to be towed if I don't have proof of insurance.
I need you to load your fucking boat up and come. I'm about to get arrested. Apparently my shit was suspended.
Ma'am, step out of the car.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle.
Step out of the car. It's
For what
not
reason?
a request. It's an
For
order.
what reason?
Start me another unit.
I'm not listening. There is no goddamn reason for me to get out of my goddamn car.
You're under arrest. Get out the car.
No.
Get out the car.
bro, she's hype, bro. Like, she's... First of all, it's also kind of wild because even like the cop, like typically I've seen a lot of traffic stops where if somebody says like they're calling somebody else to the traffic scene, like usually the officer would be like, no, don't do that. Because like it could be, you could be calling somebody else to kind of come up and, you know, be a getaway driver or maybe smoke the cop and you don't know. So this is happening. She's wilding out. Somebody else is in the car too. Maybe that's like her sister or daughter. She's only 21. The kid's kind of old. And then, oh, there's like 3 people in the car. And a dog. This is wild.
Under arrest! Can you fucking come get me? For no fucking reason! Record this!
Record this.
Do not fucking touch me!
Ma'am, stop
Do
pulling.
not touch
Stop
me!
pulling from me.
Brian, come get me! What the fuck? Brian, no! Record this shit! Record this!
Everything's recorded.
She's like, I
Hold
am.
up! There's no fucking reason
Stop
for this! You
resisting.
sorry piece
You
of
stay
shit!
there, you'll be arrested. Okay?
You're
She's
dead.
gotta chill. She's gotta chill. Stop, or you're gonna be thrown on the ground. Stop it.
Let me fucking go!
No, you're under arrest.
No, I'm not!
Guess what?
You break my fucking arm, you sorry piece of shit, I'm gonna fucking punch you.
That's a threat.
That's a felony right there for making a threat.
Oh, that's crazy. Bro, this could have gone so much better. I was expecting to see a high speed or maybe just some battery or something. But the felony for the punching you in the face is crazy. That's not, I've heard worse as officer, and people have, I'm not an officer, but I've heard people say worse things to officers, and you know, sometimes they'll give them a warning, or they'll be like, oh, is that a threat? And they'll kind of see where they go with it, and they just let it go. But if you give her a felony for it, I'm gonna punch you in the face, is crazy, because she, like, her arms are behind her back, bro. She can't even, like, make action to that threat. What are we talking about?
You just upgraded from a misdemeanor to a felony.
Oh,
This is no reason for this. What am I being arrested for?
Resisting arrest without violence. Okay?
that's crazy.
Not stepping out of the car when I told you to do so.
This is my fucking vehicle. I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
No, I do not.
Oh, you gonna learn. Anything illegal on you?
You gonna learn today.
Touch me. You are not a fucking woman.
Bro, we said this yesterday. Well, I haven't uploaded the video yet, but literally, everyone thinks that if you are a female getting arrested, you have to get searched by a female. Male officers, as far as I know, male officers can search you with the back of their hand. Granted, he was yanking out her hoodie. That's wild. But, like, the back of their hands, they can feel and do a little a search. But, like, it's not like a requirement or against the law for them to search you. Like, everyone says that. Any woman that gets arrested, they're like, female! Like, oh my God.
You are
not a woman.
I don't have to be a woman.
I will fucking scream rape.
You scream all you want. I told you everything's being recorded. Got the glasses.
No. Piece of shit. Next one.
Why do you take off her
My mom
glasses?
said, how did she get her license if she didn't take that class?
What do you mean? She got a ticket, and that ticket required a class, and she didn't take the class. They suspended. They canceled her license
She got a
indefinitely.
ticket that she was supposed to take that class. She didn't take the class.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. So there's no insurance on the car. I could tow the car right now. Okay? I don't want to tow the car with you guys.
I can take the car right
Okay.
home.
Okay. There's no insurance on it. Okay? That is a criminal offense in the state of Florida. The car cannot be on a public roadway if it's not insured. Okay? I am going to let you keep the car and park the car.
My mom said that she could put insurance on the car real quick. What do I need? The VIN number? What do I need to give you to put insurance on it real quick?
You got a license?
It's Rebecca's car. She can't send you anything. She's in the back of the cop car. And he has her vehicle registration in her
She's good.
pocket.
She's talking to mom. It's the driver that was out of
Becca
control.
is in the back of the cop car. I can't send you anything because her vehicle registration is in
What's
her
that?
pocket.
You got a license or
She wouldn't get out.
time ago.
Yeah, it's her. She's the problem. I mean, they didn't really do anything. Okay. So the car is not insured. Her license suspended. She didn't believe it, and then she made a scene out of it. She didn't want to get out the car, so she got assisted to get out the car. Alrighty. So.
Do you know them?
Gosh, the one that got.
Is there anything in the car there's not supposed to be?
Nothing that's mine that I.
Nothing.
Bro. Is she cooked after saying that? They about to search the car? I think. I don't know, bro. So he said the felony was a threat, and now this dude wants to search the car. So we're going to see. He might cook something up with this one.
Yours?
No, none. I was at the house and we were supposed to go walk the dogs, so I joined.
Okay, the only reason why I'm asking is because at your feet in the car there's a weed.
Oh, that is.
A cylinder.
No, sir, that is not mine.
Okay, what's in it?
It's whatever they have. It's.
Uh-oh. She
Somebody
turned
threw something in
witness.
the back seat toward you, or was it just in there?
It was just in there. Okay. It was just me, and I brought my phone.
What's in the cylinder down there?
All right, man.
Watch out, buddy.
Thank you. Oh, that's
This?
Yeah.
What's up?
some weed. That's the
They got two dogs in there?
That's it's okay. Alrighty. So here's what you're gonna do, okay? No reason to call me a dick. She put herself in this situation. She would be.
Smashed her out of the car and she hit her head and everything.
Listen. If I asked her to
Bro,
step out,
take her to jail too. I feel like she probably knew the car didn't have insurance on it. And she probably got a gun on there, bro.
multiple times, she doesn't have the right to refuse. It's an order. A driver or passenger, anybody, if they get asked to get out of the car, they have to get out of the car. Man, you want your seatbelt on? No?
You can't not put her seatbelt on.
There's no insurance, so that's a criminal violation. Driving with a yes, you have no insurance. The vehicle is not insured, ma'am. What do you mean? Yes. You see, like I keep telling you things and you don't believe me. There's no insurance on the car, and your license has been suspended since 11/23/2022.
What year is it now?
Last year.
I did not know about any of that.
Yeah, so you failed. There's a class that you were supposed to take. And
Bro, you know what's crazy? Unfortunately, not knowing the law isn't like it's not admissible. I don't know. Like, you can't say I didn't know that. Like, if you violate the law, you can't say you didn't know that. Which I think is sad because I feel like there's some, like I don't know every law. You know how sometimes states have, like, those weird, funky laws where, like, oh, yeah, like, in 1848, we came up with this law that you couldn't ride a bike on Sunday or something like that, you know? Like, they could really arrest you for that. You'd be like, I didn't know. Like, bro, you broke the law. Like, no matter if you knew it or not, you're supposed to know it. Like, dang, that's wild.
and take a class. Also, you are being charged with resisting arrest, and I'm considering charging you with the felony of making a threat to a law enforcement officer when you said you were going to punch me in the face.
There's no reason for you to pull me out of my vehicle.
Ma'am, you need to understand that you're a driver or a passenger. You don't have the right to remain in your car if a law enforcement officer orders you to step out.
There was absolutely no reason for you.
We don't need to have a reason. I can pull everybody out of the car. Okay, so you're under that misconception that you have the right to remain in your car, but you don't. This would have been a ticket. That's it. And you escalated the whole traffic stop.
Don't give her a felony.
So I'm not towing the car. I told your sister that she could park it at the gas station, and your mom was gonna get insurance for it. Okay, is that good enough? And I'm trying to help you guys out as much as I can. But you know, you didn't.
Bro, obviously I want a reward or something, bro. Like, what you want? You taking her to jail? Like, you're not gonna be like, oh, thanks for not towing my car too. Like, she got to go to jail. Like, oh man, you're such a good guy. You could have towed the car, but you didn't, and you gave me a free ride to jail, man. I appreciate that.
Yourself. What was that?
You would not have arrested me.
Ma'am, you put yourself in this situation.
In a hostile situation, I felt threatened.
You felt threatened. How? Because you're the one driving with a suspended
How's he
license and no
talking to
insurance,
you?
not me. But you didn't. You said no, it's not. You didn't say you didn't know. You said no, it's not suspended, and then you said it was bullshit. And then you said it was bullshit.
Dang, that's all we get, bro. So we don't even know what happened. Hopefully, you know, she didn't get that felony. I think it's ridiculous if she does, because punch you in the face, you know, you've heard people say worse in these videos, man. So punch you in the face is kind of crazy. What is this? He's too freaky. It's crazy. All right, anyway, stay in school.
Life of a Kennedy, James Dean rollout. Summer spent in places most my people never know about.